With over 100 graph types and point-and-click customization of graph elements, Origin makes it easy to create and customize publication-quality graphs. In this video, we will provide an overview of graphing. Please note that we have many other graphing tutorials that go into more detail. Let's begin with some data organized in a worksheet. For any Y column, Origin will automatically use the nearest X column to the left for graphing. Simply right-click on the column and select Set As to change column designation. To make a graph, highlight the data you want and select a plot type from the plot menu. To further customize the graph, click once on a graph element and a mini toolbar will appear. For example, I will change the symbol shape and change the color indexing column source and the color palette. I'll also change the symbol size and adjust the transparency. By clicking inside the graph, you will select the layer frame and can select whether to show or hide axes. Click on an individual axis to further edit tick marks, scale, and grid lines. Use the Apply button with arrows to quickly apply a setting to another axis. Click on Text to change font, sizing, or format. And finally, click on the gear icon in any mini toolbar to open a dialog with more setting options. Another easy way to build a graph is by using the Graph Maker app. Simply drag and drop columns to build your desired graph. In addition, add advanced fitting features and select from various options. For sample graph and instructions, visit the Learning Center. With each graph sample, we provide a data set with step-by-step instructions for how to build the graph in a note sheet. Lastly, I will cover a few more advanced graphing features. In Origin, multiple data sets can be plotted on the same graph in different layers. To control individual layers, use the Object Manager on the right side toolbar or click on the layer number in the upper left-hand corner of the graph window. Layers can be linked to the same x-axis as seen in this example. If I zoom in on the x-axis, all the layers move together. To change how layers are linked, double-click in the plot area to open the Plot Details dialog. Here you can adjust settings for each layer and control how they are linked. Finally, once you have a graph design that you like, you can quickly graph new data using the batch plotting feature. In the dialog box, simply select the data sets you would like to graph, and new graphs are made. Another time-saving feature is to save a graph as a graph template. Right-click on the graph window and select Save Template As. Name the template and save, and you'll be able to select this new template from under the Plot menu, My Template section, anytime you open Origin in the future. We hope these tools are useful. Please watch our other tutorials on graphing for more details.